Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a sound card. First, ensure your computer is completely powered off and unplugged for safety. Next, open your computer case to access the internal components. We will then identify an appropriate expansion slot, typically a PCI Express slot, for your new sound card. Finally, we will discuss installing the essential drivers and configuring your audio settings for a rich sound experience. This process usually takes about 30 minutes. Now, let's get hands-on with the physical installation. After opening your computer case, locate an available PCI Express slot on your motherboard. These slots are typically 1 inch long for an X1 card or longer for an X16 card. Gently remove the small metal cover from the back of your case that aligns with the chosen slot. Carefully align your sound card with the slot and press it down firmly until it is fully seated. Secure it with one screw. With your sound card physically installed, it's time for the software. Power on your computer and let it boot up. You'll likely need to install drivers, which usually come on a compact disc or are available for download from the manufacturer's website. Always opt for the latest drivers online for best compatibility. Follow the installation wizard and consider installing any included audio control software. A quick restart after installation ensures everything is properly configured. Finally, let's test your new audio setup. Connect your speakers or headphones to the correct ports on the back of your new sound card. Open your computer sound settings and ensure your new sound card is selected as the default output device. Play some music or a video to confirm sound is coming through clearly. If you encounter any issues, double-check all physical connections and consider reinstalling the drivers. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.